Well, guess who? Oh, thank you. It's not her.
मैं ना के रेडी हो गया.
Unless you were dating this chap. Sir, आप आकाश को डेट कर रहे हो?
He just ignored you, dude. सर शादी का वेन्यू डिसाइड हो गया क्या?
He's just ignoring. The bell is ringing again. Okay. Coming. हाँ भैया नहीं चाहिए.
What is all this?
Costume trial.
For our wedding? Are you getting ready for our wedding?
But how could I get it ready now?
I don't know.
This is too nice for your wedding.
Shut up.
Jalla
This,
lagna.
please don't wear all this for my wedding. It's very bad.
I was excited you were coming in and I opened the door. It was some guy.
इसमें दिखता है इसमें दिखता है
क्या ये टेक्नोलॉजी समझाएगा?
इसमें बाहर कौन है वो सब दिखता है ना.
बंद कर एक मिनट बंद कर.
He has spent 40 lakhs on
guys, Naveed is locked out. You guys can be separate individuals for fuck's sake. Do you have any message for Naveed?
Can we send messages from
Yeah, we can.
Hello? सर क्या चाहिए आपको? कौन चाहिए? क्या पैकेज है? आप पूरा पैकेज.
सर आपका पैकेज कितना बड़ा है? बड़ा हो जाता है.
This is what it is living with boys. We don't want your package.
Guys, we're making a plan for tonight. We're all going out for a drive in Akash's new car.
Gifted by? Yeah.
Gifted by?
Uncle, shut up. They'll actually think. I only gave a guys.
Guys, so Aishwarya gifted Akash a new car. And Akash, do you know how to drive?
ये भी लाइसेंस आने वाला है.
Do you know how to drive?
Yeah.
Alright, so Aishwarya going to be driving us on the drive today, guys.
I can take the गाड़ी out. After that, on the road, someone has to do.
नो यू कांट. यहाँ से पार्किंग से ऐसे घूम घूम के निकल.
वो निकाल देगी वो.
वो नहीं, वो भी नहीं. If take me to a सुनसान गली, there I will take you for a drive.
आज फ्रीवे पे चलते हैं रात को.
हाँ, there I can on 40 का speed. Why do we not go out then?
Because we're all
Because
You were inside for 2 weeks.
For 20 days.
Fair. Guys, that's why I've not been active. Because I've had COVID and all.
Also, she's out of ideas, guys. She has no ideas.
You know how many followers I've lost? 1,000.
1,000. Can everyone go follow and make it up to her? She's feeling very sad.
Because 20 days I didn't come, you guys. Just like one. Yeah, exactly. I'm trying over here, okay? I'm also not getting followers. Don't be so brutal. Also, I was down with COVID. Then I had like one depression scare.
Depression, scare, and all.
Yeah, like I was just not feeling it, and it was just very weird and all.
फिर देखते हैं उधर से. So we get some coffee or something.
What are you doing?
I'm waiting for you to tell me what.
There is a perfectly empty chair right here.
Why are you jealous?
Oh yeah, I want to sit on Akash's lap.
Yeah.
Come, Akash, I'll sit.
Tell me what are we doing today?
Let's check out the car. Let's go.
Go where? You can't just say
Anywhere.
go. What is this anywhere?
Let's go to bandstand.
Yeah.
Can we go to Shah Rukh's house?
बाहर तक लेके जाते हैं इसको.
Sorry guys, I'm very busy right now. I can't.
तन्मय यार, मेल नहीं करेगा?
तैयार होने दे इसको. 2 सेकंड छोड़ सकते हैं उसको. The fuck are you getting ready for?
For your vlog. I'm getting ready for your vlog. How am I looking, Tन्मय?
चल करते हैं.
Driver, शाहरुख के घर चलो.
OTP दे दो.
Is Leelavati Hospital. Have you decided where you want to have your babies?
Shut up, yaar. We're not having babies. Just don't tell my mom.
Anyway, auntie, if you're watching, like, share, subscribe. Oh, so many people are here. Hi guys, no photos. It's fine.
We look like people who are going to enter. Do we look like people who are going to?
पीछे से है ना entry.
What, are we done?
Yeah.
You want to do one more round?
Yeah, we can.
No, we are going to the back door where the entry is for the special guests.
People enter from the back door.
Yeah. You don't know?
Yeah, she's not been. No, she doesn't know.
Have you guys been?
Yeah.
You have been?
I've shot inside
What you shot?
podcast. I was the one who was shooting it.
And I don't want to go only. And now wanting something is as good as having it.
Shut up, you gone.
I was there the whole day. Aishwarya, सुबह से मैं वहीं था शाम तक.
अबे
There's a photo.
Why do you not say this? Like
Why
this
say
guy
what?
keeps braying ki, oh god, I've been to Shah Rukh's house. Why are you cooler than Tanmay?
ये part काट दे. यहाँ से हाँ, this is the back door entry. Not the kind of back door entry आकाश is looking for.
एक चापड़ ढूंढता है.
सर शाहरुख कब आ रहा है? नहीं आ रहा है क्या? कभी आ रहा है? शाहरुख आ रहा है? बाहर आ रहा है क्या?
शाहरुख मेरी शादी में आना प्लीज. प्लीज आना शादी में. लव यू.
सर शाहरुख कभी आ रहा है? एक घंटे में. चलो. यू टर्न ले लो. सलमान को इनवाइट देने का टाइम आ गया गाइस.
हम बांट रहे इनविटेशन सब जगह. पूरा पाली इलाज.
सलमान
आगे
आगे. रेडी हो रही है चिल्लाने के लिए. ये सलमान को
बीच में आ गए एक पर.
ऐश्वर्या किसी रैंडो को नहीं इनवाइट करना है मेरे को, ठीक है? नवीद ये तो तेरे को तो मालूम होना चाहिए ना, तू आता है ना हर संडे.
मैं वहाँ आता हूँ.
शाहरुख क्या बेगा? गैलेक्सी अपार्टमेंट.
देख जा रहा है गाड़ी अंदर.
गाइस बाकी लोग भी रहता है बिल्डिंग में यार.
सलमान शादी पर मत आना, मेरा नाम ऐश्वर्या है. I don't want to offend him. Get a reservation for today. I'm calling from Tanmay Bhatt's office. Okay, so if we come in another 10 minutes, would it be possible to get like a place for 4? You can give us a high table outside for 4.
Works for us.
Yeah, within next 10 minutes we're coming.
They'll
Okay,
think that
thank you.
Tanmay has nothing to do. Within 10 minutes ही आ रहा है.
Dude, this works every
नवीद इसको लगता है हम हलवा है, ठीक है? इसको पता नहीं है.
Wow, dude.
Do you want to try some other place just for kicks?
Calling from Tanmay Bhatt's office. We randomly scream at any house, huh? It has to be authentic.
I think it's.
This
You
is
want to
It is in a
invite
flat.
Amir? I know the flat near the Atal Road.
Guys, we're now sending invite to Amir Khan also.
of course.
सचिन अगर भी पीछे गया, सचिन को मत इनवाइट. awkward रहेगा. मैं और सचिन साथ में.
आमिर, साल में एक शादी अटेंड करेगा तो मेरी करना. ये भी आकाश है.
नवीद गाड़ी इतना रैशली चला रहा है. रिजवी कॉलेज के नजदीक आते आते सारे लौंडे खराब क्यों चलाते हैं व्हीकल्स?
Naveed, please drive properly.
अरे इतना अच्छे से तो चला रहा हूँ. घोड़ा लेके आ रहा है.
इसको ही बोलना शादी पे.
शादी पे घोड़ा लाना. इसके लिए. हाँ.
Guys, we're going to Olive in the hope of spotting some celebrities.
Haven't you already spotted? किधर है Olive?
We are the least cool people to go to Olive, guys.
No, I have worn sunglasses on top.
Oh, okay. It's much better now.
Guys, these are very expensive, by the way. Ralph Lauren.
What?
Ralph Lauren.
This is Olive, by the way. Aishwarya, you recognize this door?
I come here every day.
और सी ना पैप्स यही से तो सब लोग एग्जिट करते हैं, फोटो लेते हैं.
I have never seen this place. Tanmay,
Yes.
you're one of my closest friends. And I really value our friendship. And I really want...
Hello, my eyes are up here. Hello.
Can we forge this friendship with one bite of that beautiful looking thing that you have on your plate?
Should I say yes? No.
He said yes. He said
I said
something.
no.
He said yes, and I'm saying yes, and
I say yes. बस. Okay, have. Focus.
मुझे खाना खाने से पहले उल्टी की बारी है. प्लीज बिल मंगाना.
सर.
गाइस, ऐश्वर्या 10 मिनट पहले उठी मुतने के लिए.
अभी तक
10 मिनट हो गया.
ये अलग सेंड ऑफ पार्टी चल रहा है.
ऐसे पेशाब करते हैं.
guys, he's too nice.
You just said that fish is too nice. Aishwarya. एक one selfie. Tanmay, one selfie. Sir, one selfie.
Really, I don't want to be there.
Sir, one.
गाड़ी आ रहा है.
Thank you, guys.
Sir, center.
I really don't want to hear
Center.
this, guys.
Madam, एक pose.
गाइस, आफ्टर दैट सेलिब्रिटी डिनर हम लोग जा रहे हैं पार्टी करने घर पे. ये नो वन शेयरिंग माय एंथुसियाज्म.
Because I really want to party. I really don't want to go home. Birthday is in 1 month. Tell us what we should do and we'll do it. We'll do it, no?
Yeah.
कमेंट सेक्शन में तू ऐसे ओपन छोड़ देगा तो फिर वो लोग कुछ भी बोल देगा यार.
ऐसे कुछ भी मत बोलो. Something that you would want to watch as a vlog. You know what I mean?
वो लोग कुछ भी बोल देगा यार. ऐश्वर्या
Okay,
तू
that's
जानती नहीं है तो
also true,
कमेंट सेक्शन को
Yeah,
यार.
something that would be fun for us and you would want to watch.
That's a good way of putting it.
The last one, it needs to be better than his shadi vlog.
Oh, I thought you were saying it's his last birthday. What the fuck? By the way, all of us are going back home except Aishwarya, who's choosing to ditch us and go somewhere else.
I'm not ditching y'all. I'm actually going for my friend's birthday party. Akash has his hand on my ass.
All in all, I had a really fun trip to Bombay. But I have to admit, while I enjoy the slow, quiet solitude of Bangalore, I really miss being dumb and stupid with all these guys back home.
तेरी आंखें भूल भुलैया
बातें हैं भूल भुलैया.
तेरी आंखें भूल भुलैया बातें हैं भूल भुलैया तेरे सपनों की गलियों में you keep driving me so crazy I keep dreaming of it
All day, all night long.
Didn't I?